In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sub-items in Monday.com. Sub-items are a great way to break down a larger task into smaller, more manageable pieces, while still keeping everything organized under one main item. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create sub-items quickly and use them in a clean, consistent way. First, make sure you're looking at a board that already has at least one item created. This could be a task, a project, or any kind of entry you're tracking. Find the main item that you want to break down into sub-items. This will act as your parent item. Move your mouse over the name of that parent item. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor directly over the item name. As you do this, you'll see a few small icons appear around the item. One of these will be a downward arrow icon located to the left of the item name. Now click that downward arrow icon. This is what tells Monday.com that you want to work with sub-items for this particular parent item. As soon as you click it, a new row will appear directly underneath, slightly indented compared to the main item. That indentation is your visual cue that you're now working with a sub-item instead of a regular item. With the new sub-item row visible, click into the name field of that row. Go ahead and type the name of your sub-item. This should describe a smaller task or component of the main item. For example, if your parent item is a project, your sub-item might be a specific action step or deliverable within that project. After you type the sub-item name, press Enter to save it. If you need more sub-items, you can repeat the same process. Hover over the parent item name, click the downward arrow, and add additional sub-items as needed. Each one will appear as its own indented row under the same parent, keeping everything nicely grouped. As a quick tip, try to keep your sub-item names clear and specific so anyone on your team can immediately understand what each one represents. You can then use the other columns in your board, like status, dates, or assignees, to track each sub-item individually while still keeping them tied to the main task. And that's all there is to it. By hovering over the parent item, clicking the downward arrow, and typing in the new sub-item name, you can quickly build a structured, detailed view of your work in Monday.com.